Hey, welcome back guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to make French press coffee and eliminate one of the most annoying problem when making a French press. This is a 380 grams or 13 ounces French press, which means to achieve the ratio of 1 to 15 coffee to water, I'll have to use 20 to 23 grams of coffee or about 4 teaspoons. And this is the amount of coffee your teaspoon should hold. So we'll add 4. And then pour over the hot water of around 90 degrees or 200 Fahrenheit. You're gonna fill up your French press just 1 inch below the spout or where that silver mark is, and you're gonna stir the mixture for around 15 seconds to ensure all the grounds are saturated. Then you can start a timer and let the coffee steep for around 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so now that the time is up, here's where I have a very useful tip for you that I see no other video mentions. You can use a couple of coffee filters over your plunger. You can try using only one, but I found that it easily tears just from the pressure going down. So this way you eliminate that frustrating problem of just coffee grounds going up in your brewed coffee while separating it. And you can just press down faster now, and you don't have to go slow like you otherwise would. It results in a much cleaner cup of coffee with no sediments. So yeah, try it and let me know what you think. And there you have it. Now you're done and you can pour your French press coffee. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. If you want to see more coffee related content, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, see ya.